Greetings, friends! This machine, manufactured by ElectroTorg Machinery Company, is designed for bending pipes with a minimum diameter of 18 mm and a wall thickness of 1 mm, up to a maximum pipe size of 76 mm in diameter and 5 mm in wall thickness. The layout of the pipe bender is classical. It consists of two main parts. The first part is the bending unit, profiling. The second part is the frame for moving the carriage, which feeds the pipe and rotates it around its own axis. The machine implements simultaneous feeding and bending of the pipe, which ensures high precision, up to 0.5 mm per meter of feed, up to 0.2 of a degree when rotating the pipe, up to 1 degree on a full 360-degree pipe bend. The peak power consumption of this pipe bender is 21 kilowatts, of which 17 kilowatts are used by the hydraulic station. The machine is delivered fully ready for operation, equipped with tooling, filled with oil, lubricated, and assembled. Dear viewers, ElectroTorg manufactures equipment tailored to the specific needs of each customer. At the negotiation stage, we thoroughly discuss all possible technical and software solutions, provide consultations, and suggest the most efficient options based on price and functionality. Once everything is agreed upon, the technical concept of the future machine is formed and passed on for design and production. The complete system is developed in-house, from hardware integration to control logic, ensuring seamless coordination of all components. We wish you all the best. Leave your questions in the comments under this video. We will definitely answer everyone.